Time for the weather now, and meteorologist Anthony Bordonero's in the backyard for us.
Scott, we all don't look forward to Mondays, but today's weather, not that bad. We started off in the 30s, but wound up in the 70s for your high temperatures. So a little bit chilly in the morning, but with the sunshine, it warmed up a lot this afternoon. Let's take a look at your daily almanac. 39 below average for this time of year, but that's 72 above average for this time of year. In the top right corner of this graphic, 0 precipitation, which I think was needed because Saturday was not a great day. Let's just say that, especially if you had any outdoor plans. But it is 7:30, so we have to answer the weather question today. We asked it at 7 o'clock, just in case you were with us at 7 o'clock. If you're here for the answer, I appreciate you. But how many tornadoes on average does the United States see per year? Here are your options. You have one more second or 2 seconds to think about it. The option is A, too many, and C, about 1,200 per year. And in Pennsylvania, we see only about 13 of those. So about 1% of all tornadoes in the United States occur in the Keystone State. But there currently is a system producing some potential tornadoes. This system will head towards us, but the good news is it'll weaken. And I'll show you why in a couple of minutes, but you can see the active tornado watch in effect. And I've just been looking there, some hail, tornado warnings, flooding rain. Not a pretty system that is pushing through parts of the center part of our country. What you're noticing now across the area is this milky white clouds. Those are upper level cirrus clouds. Those will build in and we'll see maybe a rain shower for tomorrow. But this evening is pleasant. We're talking about light winds, temperatures in the 60s and 70s. The warmest I can see right now is probably Archbald at 71. Congratulations, you're the warmest on the map. 70 in Wyalusing and 69 in Wysox. Here's a view in Milford. Trees are leafing out right now. Again, those upper level, you can't quite see it in Pottsville, but milky white sky for some of us. So temperatures will drop overnight due to that clear sky. We'll be around 43, so not as chilly tomorrow morning, but you may need the light jacket as you are headed out. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds for tomorrow, and then some rain chances. Notice with these icons here, none of them are showing that little raindrop, but there's going to be a slight chance for some rainfall. Though those clouds building in, I'll step out of the way and show you. We'll see a spit of rain or two through the mid-morning hours and then maybe something in the afternoon, but not a lot. You'll be able to make out with a pretty good Taco Tuesday, those high temperatures in the low to middle 60s. If you see a little bit more sunshine, some areas, I think in central Pennsylvania, you may get to near 70, so that'll feel nice. Once again, I want to show you on Wednesday because that's when the more substantial rain happens. We'll start off mostly dry. The day will be good, but around noon, a wall of rain will come in. These are just generic showers, not expecting severe weather along with it, but I think some of us could see 2-3 hours of a good downpour. Again, on Wednesday, as we track these out, make sure to track those with us at the WNEP app, Plus app, scan QR code, and have some fun. So the first system will weaken because it's shooting up north. See how it's shooting up north? That's why we'll only see some spotty showers. But this next low draws towards us. So that's why on Wednesday we'll see a good amount of some showers across the area. Could see about a quarter, maybe a half inch in some spots. Behind this low comes some cooler air. So for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the cool air comes in. And then depending on how strong this cool air is, we could see another low come up from the East Coast, and that could provide some showers for Saturday. Right now, it looks like it'll stay towards the south, but there is a chance we could see some showers on Saturday. But Scott, those temperatures remain on the cooler side for the entire week, 50s and 60s. Not bad, but not that summer-like pattern we were like a couple weeks ago. So probably need a light jacket for at least the next week or so.
And then we're getting into May, and that's where the pressure's going to build, Anthony. That's when we're really ready for some weather.
Yeah, I think so.
All right, thank you.